In this video, we showcase the all-new MPID function as part of our 2024 Opus 9 release. Here we have a typical microplastic sample, measured with the Lumos 2 FTIR imaging microscope. With a single click, MPID evaluates the complete dataset and provides detailed and comprehensive particle statistics. The machine learning algorithm analyzes each pixel of a chemical image, classifying and grouping these pixels based on their polymer type. The resulting particle list contains all key parameters like area, length, width, and identity of the particles. The results can be displayed, sorted and filtered in a statistics window directly in Opus. At any point during analysis, you can use your chemical expertise and double-check the results for plausibility. You can choose how to visualize your data, for example as a pie chart. On top, all data can be exported into CSV files for further analysis. Contact your local sales support or visit our website to learn more. Thank you for watching.